Do that. That's our problem, and we're here to fix it. You may be asking yourself, what do I need to complete this task after your child runs through a screen? Well, I'm glad you asked. I may or may not have done this before, so I have two little tools. You can buy these in a kit, typically on Amazon, probably for 15 bucks. I think right now in our area, they charge like $30, $50 to replace a screen. So I bought just the screen for 10 bucks. So let's get this project started, and hopefully it doesn't run through the screen again. One of the first things I'm gonna do is take off my shock. I don't have to worry about that. Make sure you put your pin back so you don't lose it. And stuff. We're gonna take this off because I feel like that's the easiest way to do these. And no, it's not my first time doing this. Just understand when you take all these out, the door will fall. So don't drop it. I'll probably have Blinky help me. Yep.
I can actually carry this door all by myself.
I'm dead.
So obviously I'm not worried about breaking the screen because it's already broken. Now with the cord, mine's still good from the last time, which has been a couple years, so I'm going to use it. It's still pliable, flexible. But they make kits like this pretty cheap on Amazon. So I like to take it off, and it makes it easier if you just lay this thing down. Normally I've used sawhorses, but we've acquired a picnic table this year. Let's see how it will work. Oh, I got him. Mine's erasing. So they make a cheaper plastic one, and then they make a nicer wooden one. I picked up this one because I actually was doing screens a little more. So I think what I'm gonna do for ease of use, Ed, if you wanna come out here, you wanna grab that corner, we're gonna line it up. Now I only have to cut 2 sides instead of 4 sides. Put this in and I'll kind of make this tight. And then all you're gonna do is use this. And we're not gonna do a lot of pressure. We're just gonna do light pressure just to get it started. You can come back around with more pressure later for another thing. And I'll trim up this side here when I'm done. So just to keep this hopefully linky proof right now. And just be gentle because you can go through the screen, might have to adjust and take care of it. So take your time. You can see it's not that hard. It's like a trust fall.
Trusting your child to do a job that is not that easy.
Is he getting nervous? Is he gonna cut the screen? Who knows? Just so we don't have to deal with the screen, is cut the excess off around the corners so Evan can keep doing what he's doing without putting holes in the screen. Now, the excess, I'll show you what I'm going to do with it as well. Used to have a 150-pound Rottweiler and kids, so over the years, these tears, this one kind of came off, but you can see I basically cut out a patch and I actually put one on the inside and outside, and I spray Flex Seal from the inside outside so you don't get your house dirty. And this has been there for a couple of years. It's not the most cosmetic fix, but it works.
I'm not taking 5 minutes.
So Logan's gonna show you how to fix the screen. Have you ever done this?
No.
No. So do we need it that big or just a section? I do enjoy you pointing the scissors towards the screen. Scissors do cut things. Ooh, look.
That's good.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
It's good.
Look.
That's good. That's good.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
Huh?
I like it.
Logan, you don't need...
So a couple things, spray, if you're gonna do this, spray outside your house. And make sure there's no wind coming in this way. He's gonna flex seal. I kinda use this stuff on occasion, so go ahead. We'll see how he does. Start up top. Go back, up higher by your finger. Okay, we're not graffitiing. It was supposed to be like a nice, easy section, but we'll make it work. Turn to open the door with this, not the screen. Come on out. Say, and that's how you fix a screen after a 3-year-old plows through it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and
Don't forget to click subscribe. Rolling with Adventure. See ya.